Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert your Word and PDF file into the PowerPoint. So here I have a PDF file, my complete lesson is in the PDF format, but I want to convert into PowerPoint. So here you can see these are all the slides that those are in the PDF file. So how I can convert into PowerPoint? Simply we need to go to the Google Chrome and here we need to type the I love PDF. This is the first option we need to click here and here you saw the option PDF to the PowerPoint. Click on this. Select the PDF file we want to convert. This is my lecture slides. I need to convert this. Then convert to the PDF file. Just wait for some time, seconds so that they can easily convert my PDF file to my PowerPoint. Here you can see it converted. It's only take 1 to 2 seconds, so we can easily download this. But after this converting, so here now we download our PowerPoint slides. So here my PowerPoint slides are here. Here you can see my complete slides are in the PowerPoint format and we can easily edit it. So by using this simple step with only one click, you can easily convert your PDF into your PowerPoint. So to get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye, take care.